Today we are working on Excel Lesson 1, the fourth assignment, entering dates. So this is what you should have opened up. And it says in cell A3, type as of and press tab. As of quotation mark, press the tab button. In B3, type 01 space MAY and press enter. Notice that Excel puts the date in the default format and aligns it to the right. In cell D3, type expires, press tab. In E3, type JUL space 15 comma space 2016 and press enter. And you can see that right here, this is what it should look like, and you see that's what ours looks like. Select cell E3. So go back to cell E3. The date for this cell also appears in the formula bar. You look up here in the formula bar and it looks different. The date value sequence corresponds to the setting in the Windows control panel. So it's different up here than it is down here. Select cell B3. Because you have not included a year in this date value, Excel assumes it's the current year and adds it for you. So you see right here that it has no year, but up here in the formula bar it says 2021. If you want a different year, you have to enter it as part of the date. So mark is answered, submit, submit. Green check mark. So this completes entering dates.